Hello, I'm Luke, and I'm the Senior Lecturer and Programme Manager of Marine Biology and Ecology here at the Marine School. And welcome to our wet lab. It's one of our 4 labs here at the Marine School, and this is one of the bigger ones. It has a big mixture of different aqua systems containing a range of different species, and it's actually one of the biggest in FE colleges in the country. And today I'm going to be talking to you about some of the survey equipment we use in some of the field work here at the Marine School. Okay, so we'll look at the CTD. So what is the CTD? Well, the CTD is a probe that measures conductivity, temperature and depth. Now in the ocean, this is a really important thing to measure, because when you go into the ocean, as you go deep and deeper into the water, you'll see different columns of water broken up by their temperature, broken up by their salinity, but of course broken up by their depths as well. And these columns in the water can become currents that flow all around the ocean, and these currents will bring nutrients and they'll bring warmth to certain parts of the globe. So they're very important things from a human point of view, but also from a biological point of view. And as scientists, we're obviously interested in the natural sciences, and we're interested in the physical relationship between the biological organisms present. So, as I said, this is the CTD. So what is it measuring? It's measuring the conductivity. So the conductivity is the amount of salts or electrolytes within the water, and it's actually measuring the total dissolved solid. So it's actually measuring the amount of solid material in the water by its conductivity. So that gives us our salinity profile. It also measures the temperature. Obviously that will just be in whether Fahrenheit or Celsius. And of course the depth, and the depth will be done by pressure, so it's measuring it in bars. And obviously as you drop the CTD into the ocean, it will increase the pressure, therefore giving a fix of what the actual depth is. Alongside that, we also have our flow reader. Now the flow reader is basically a device that just will measure what is the flow of the water, what's the actual speed of the flow in meters per second, and we'll attach the CTD to the flow reader, and when we drop those, it will give us a full profile of the currents, salinity and the temperature, as well as the flow of the water in the water column. And this is really good for us to understand what's going on deep within the ocean, and the type of environment the organisms that live there are having to survive in. Great, I hope you've enjoyed this brief overlook of some of our survey equipment that we have here. If you're interested in finding any more information or something more about the courses we offer here, click on the link and that will take you to our homepage. Thanks very much.